This is Keigijo, and today we are unboxing the new native dick, the Advent 2. Let's just get right into this bad boy. I'm very much looking forward to seeing this dick in real life. It's always a Rubik's Cube. Why does this have to be so hard to open? I just want what's in here. Damn, this box is... How is this locking system? What's happening? Where am I? I don't know what's happening. Does this open? I don't know what's happening. I think it's time to put me in a home. Why is this box so hard to open? Jesus Christ! Why is this box so hard to open? It doesn't make sense. It has like 2 ways of interlocking. Bang! Just slid them in there. Dreaded man-child struggles to unbox scooter deck. Gone wild. Oh no! Fuck. I didn't want that to happen. Praise Jesus, we finally got it open! Alright. Oh my fucking god. Oh. Your boy needs a moment here. I'm so touched. What we have here is a prime sheet of native grip, but not only. It says, I'm not gonna imitate Regan's voice, so I'm just gonna read it in my voice. Khan, thank you for your continued support. Keep being you. Signed by Regan. And then what Regan said. Reese. This is fucking awesome, honestly. So awesome. We got the Prime Syndicate grip. Oh, that's nice. Y'all aren't ready for this. Ow! Oh. Oh. They can't. Damn, son! Do you know? Man companies need to make along with 6mm to fit pegs. There's a long FL boy in there. No one's taken an L today, boys. Yep, that's everything. Put this down. The world's most hardest unboxing box. The V2 Advent. Okay. Let's just measure this bad boy. I got the 5.5 version. So I will measure 2 measurements. One from the walls, the vertical walls, and then the second one is where your grip tape will be cut to and where you will be, what you'll actually feel, if that makes sense. So wall to wall, Sugundis, wall to wall it is over 5.5, which is what you want. Normally companies will be like, yeah, our deck's 5 wide, but it curves into like 4, just a 4.8 or whatever. Alright, so where the grip tape sits. Oh, it's a nice curve. It's just a little bit under 5.5. But Sugundis, that ain't a name, that ain't a thing. Let's get us nice. Yeah. Because as much as you want as much grind space as possible, a sharp edge on grind sucks. Like, you don't want it perfectly square on the bottom of your deck. I will do the bottom. I want to see what the total grind space. It is, yes. Yeah, it's just a little bit under 5.5, but it's, you want that curve. They did say in the specs that the radius is slightly, it's just slight like this on the end, so, you know, that's why you want, oh, I forgot about the new crook groove. Oh, I can't really do crooks, but it's like, yeah, the crook groove. Maybe do some crook chinks. Cookie. The V1 Advent, hold on, my kitten is being cheeky. Say hello to everyone, Drew Barrymore. Mwah. Anyway, the rear end on the V1, if you didn't have a tiny socket to fit in that peg, your life was a pain in the ass, honestly. The back end on the V1 was a bit of a pain in the ass. This year, this peg is threaded to the axle. Some people might say, oh, that's gay, you're gonna do a grind and your peg's gonna come loose. You're gonna grind a concrete curb. A curb! Well, you shouldn't really be grinding a raw concrete curb in the first place. But it should be fine. The Regan at Native wouldn't have done it if he knew it was not gonna work. So the new back end system, sweet as. The neck and the head tube still the same. It's, you know, they didn't really need to change this. This was all good. The spacers. This deck can run any wheel. You want to run Big Daddy 12 standard bearings, 125 round. You want that big black. You want those big black wheels. You can run it on this deck because you've got these bad boys, and it even says 4 wheels, 30mm wide and 12mm axles. Ethic Calypso Urban Art disc wheels. That's all you can really get. But with these bad boys, I'm going to be right back. I'm back. I have a 12mm standard wheel here. It's a big boy. So what these spacers do is they fit inside the bearings instead of having a huge axle on the deck and having to bore a bigger hole. They've just cleverly come up with, put the spacers in the side, slide the wheel in, boom, 12 standard, big wheels, big tricks. These bad boys are for your 24mm wheels, very light, they weigh nothing, nice volcano shape, so much nicer than the spacer system in the V1, so much nicer. And then the last ones, for your 30mm, your boy, if you follow me, you know I love Radix wheels. I will probably give 12 standard wheels a try because I haven't had a chance to run these, but I think I'll be sticking with good old Eagle Radix wheels. Concave, that is a big difference. What's that? Thank you so much, Regan, for the extremely kind words. Thank you, Reese. What he said, go shop at Syndicate. Do it. Even if you live in Jamaica and you're flaring off coconut trees. Peace out. Bye.